Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making one of my all-time favorite desserts, carrot cake. It's moist, flavorful, and has just the right balance of sweetness and spice. Whether you're baking for a special occasion or just treating yourself, this recipe is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Let's dive right into it. Ingredients breakdown for the cake. You'll need all-purpose flour, white sugar or coconut sugar, vegetable or sunflower oil for whole eggs to TSP, vanilla extract, grey red carrots, about 2 to 3 large carrots, baking powder to make the cake rise for the frosting, confectioner's sugar. Milk, adjust until you get a smooth, spreadable consistency. Now, I love this recipe because it's simple, but you can always tweak it. For instance, if you want to make it extra flavorful, add a teaspoon of cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg to the batter. Making the cake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius and grease your cake pans. You can use one large pan or two smaller round pans if you prefer a layered cake. In a large mixing bowl, combine your flour, sugar, and baking powder. Stir until everything is well mixed. These are your dry ingredients. Now, add in the wet ingredients, oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. Mix them together until the batter is smooth. A hand whisk or electric mixer will work fine here. Next, it's time for the star ingredient, grey red carrots. You'll need about 2 to 3 cups of finely grey red carrots. Be sure to grate them finely. Larger pieces can result in uneven baking. Gently fold the carrots into the batter until just combined. Once your batter is ready, pour it into your prepared pan and smooth the top. Pop it in the oven and bake for about 30 minutes. Check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, it's done. Making the frosting while the cake cools. Let's make the frosting. In a bowl, add confectioner's sugar about 1½ cups and start adding milk, a little at a time, until you get a smooth, spreadable consistency. You can also add a splash of lemon juice for a little tang or a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. Once your cake is completely cool, spread the frosting evenly across the top using a spatula. If you're feeling fancy, you can decorate it with some chopped walnuts or pecans for added texture and flavor. Decorating and final touches. To really take your cake to the next level, garnish it with some extra walnuts, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or even a little shredded coconut. These additions not only make the cake look beautiful but also enhance the flavor. And there you have it, your very own homemade carrot cake. It's moist, perfectly spiced, and topped with creamy frosting. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's perfect for any occasion, whether you're celebrating or just craving something sweet. If you tried this recipe, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new recipe. Happy baking, and I'll see you in the next video.